In the heart of a lively grocery store, two sisters, Emma and Lily, are about to embark on an enchanting journey that will reveal the hidden wonders of fruits and vegetables. The sisters briefly glance at the candy aisle, its bright packages twinkling like stars. Lily looks tempted by the glittering sweets.
Emma, look at all the candy. Can we get some?
No. Lily, what if I told you these could be even better than candy?
As they talk, the grocery store around them transforms into a magical land called Veggieville, where fruits and vegetables are alive and bustling with energy.
Hey there, I'm Freddy, and I'm sweeter than any candy. Plus, I keep your heart happy.
And I'm Gary. I can help you see better during our night adventures. Who needs a flashlight?
How about we go on a veggie quest, Lily? For 1 week, let's choose these magical fruits and veggies over candy. I bet we'll discover some amazing secrets.
Okay, let's do it.
Throughout the week, Emma and Lily experiment with various fruits and vegetables, creating fun and colorful meals. They start feeling more energetic, their moods lift, and they're even sleeping better.
So, Lily, what do you think about our veggie quest?
It's been awesome. Who knew fruits and veggies could be so fun and tasty?
Emma and Lily learned that the real magic lies in nature's bounty, leading them to a path of health and happiness. Their adventure was just beginning, but their discovery was timeless.
Discover your adventure. Choose fruits and veggies every day.